What's up guys, Rick at RallySport Direct here. Today we're taking a look at the Humble Rumble Firewall Spot Weld Fix Kit. I know that's a mouthful, but basically if you've got an 08 through 14 WRX or STI, you've probably heard of the firewall failures on the spot welds there. Essentially what happens is the spot welds fail, and you get a clicky, clunky clutch pedal and brake pedal. So what this kit includes, and I've also got the optional, sold separately, installation accessory kit, I think is what they call it. But anyway, you've got all of your hardware, which I'm going to open up here because I think it's important. It's not just the hardware because this is the kit. This is where the magic happens. Now, a lot of people have created their own like little homebrew kits, whether they do, rivets or bolts. But essentially what you have here is a pass-through bolt with a nut that's already been affixed from Humble Rumble, which I'm really appreciative of. But it's got a small hole through here. And then you also have a spot for your Allen key there. Now you do get 6, but depending on the severity of your firewall, you may only need 2, which is kind of nice, but it's also cool that they give you 6. Then you also get a, lock washer here, which is domed, and then a stainless steel nut. And that times 6. You also get a Humble Rumble sticker, thank you very much, and instructions. Now, Humble Rumble says this can be done in, about an hour or 2, which realistically, if you were comfortable with the installation of this, you probably could get it done in an hour or 2. I'd probably give yourself 4 hours, roughly. Okay, so then you also get a little thank you card. Now, the optional installation accessory kit. Now, after looking at this, I would recommend purchasing this kit for a few reasons, which I'm gonna go over. First of all, you get some Loctite, which is what you want to use on this stainless steel nut here. You've got some stainless steel, I call it baling wire, but just some wire. And what that is for is to go through the through bolt, and then you tie it on the other side so you can bring the bolt and captive nut up through the firewall in the engine bay. And this is what makes this kit so special. Because in order to do this by yourself at home with normal hardware, you're gonna have to take apart your whole entire dash. Basically, you're taking apart the inside of the car, which is a pain. So they've been really clever and came up with this kit, which uses pretty simple things to make the installation possible, right? Then you've got a included drill bit. I'm not sure if this is 3/8, does not say, but a drill bit that's already been, what do they call that? Captive? Basically a depth limiter, right? Because as you're drilling through the firewall, you want to be careful that you don't go too deep because there are electrical components, dash components, HVAC components, that type of stuff underneath. So if you just go ham and boom, you can drill through something very important. So that's kind of nice little stopgap there. And then you've got some clear silicone, which, because you are drilling through your firewall and you've got, bolts with a hole completely through it, they want you to use this very high quality clear silicone just to seal everything up, make the car waterproof, weatherproof, that kind of stuff. So that's everything. Now, I am gonna do an install video because we've got an employee here with an STI that has already suffered from the symptoms of a firewall failure. And so this is very perfect timing. So I'm not gonna go too much into the install on this video. If you guys want to see a full in-depth install video, make sure to like, subscribe, so you guys make sure you don't miss that. But I'm excited to get this installed. And if you guys are interested in this kit, go ahead and click the link below. You can pick it up for yourself, whether you want to do just the hardware kit itself and supply your own, accessory kit, or you want everything to make for a much easier and much more painless install. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.